If you're a fan of chai, this recipe is for you, and I'm going to be showing you how to make cinnamon chai, which is very flavorful and delicious. Over here I have some ingredients which you're going to find in the description box. I have some milk, loose tea leaves, a teaspoon of cinnamon, sugar, and water. So to get started, you're going to place a pot over high flame. You're going to add in 1.5 cups of water. Next, you're going to add in loose tea leaves and your cinnamon. If you don't have loose tea leaves, you can add in a tea bag or two, depending on how you like your chai. Once the chai comes to a boil, I'm going to use my sieve and stir a little bit. To sweeten my chai, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can also add in some maple syrup or honey. Stir in a little bit. Then lastly, I'm going to add in 2 cups of milk. Once the chai comes to a boil, I'm going to use my sieve and stir in for around 30 seconds. Then I'm going to reduce the flames to low and let my chai simmer for around 2 minutes so that the tea leaves and the cinnamon can fully infuse in the chai. I'm going to transfer my cinnamon chai to a vacuum flask so that it can remain hot. Next, I'm going to pour myself some. This is smelling so good. Next, I'm going to give my cinnamon chai a taste. I absolutely and highly recommend you trying out this cinnamon chai because the flavor is mild. So instead of having your normal chai, try out this cinnamon chai recipe.